Jennifer from Esther and Anne here, and I'm just coming off, you know, what's been a really big week this week with doing our takeover week, which was really awesome. And thank you so much to all those people that watched our videos that we did each day, and that was with doing our walk in the garden sampler pack here. I was really excited to how this all came together and how it actually looks finished. Sorry, I still actually haven't sewn the seams together, but we'll get to that one. But I thoroughly enjoyed putting this together and going through all the different techniques. So all the videos are available there on the Facebook page and also on the Australian Sewing Community YouTube channel, so you can find them there as well. Yeah, I'm really loving this. I've used Beautiful Fabrics by Lisa Chandler, so they've got a little bit of an Aussie kind of feel to them. So on the back of that, while we were you know, going through our videos, we had some people that were asking about some kits, so we have kind of quickly put together some kits for you, and we've got our ultimate box set here. This box set has got absolutely everything in there that you could possibly need to make our walk in the garden sampler. It's got the threads, all the fabrics, the cushion cover, needles, pins, the whole lot. So I'll just show you a little bit about what you get inside when I open this box. And it comes in this gorgeous box too, which is reusable. So in here we have, you can see behind, our cushion cover in there. We've got our fabrics, we've got some of the felted wool, comes with the stabilizer products that are pre-printed for you as well, so they are included. And then we've got these gorgeous threads. So we've got, if you've watched the videos, you'll see the threads that I've used, and they are all in there, the little circles and things. So everything is in there to make our walk in the garden sampler. We have, of course, also put it together as just a little fabrics only pack or embellishment pack there. So we've made that available for you if you want to try just using those different things to embellish a cushion cover or any other Esther and Anne item. And if you don't know, our cushion cover, actually, sorry, this one's not packaged, but it comes with the zipper already pre-inserted, so you don't need to worry about doing that. And when it comes time to doing the actual construction, you really are just sewing those 4 seams together and then just popping the cushion insert in there. So like I said earlier, we've thoroughly enjoyed doing our sampler series, and that's some little special offers that we've got for you. So yeah, head on over to our website where you can see our special kits there, our walk in the garden packs, and also lots of more things.